Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this blue and silver water marble as part of Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. Colors that I'll be using today are all from OPI. The darkest gray is Dark Side of the Mood. The navy is Light My Sapphire. The kind of blurple metallic blue is Into the Night. And the silver is Unfrost My Heart. I'm going to be using Into the Night as my base color and then protecting around my nails with liquid latex and tape. As usual, for water marbling, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once your bullseye is complete, you can go ahead and start drawing in your design. I'm going to go from the center outward, and then I'm just going to draw on some very skinny flower petals. Once you've got your design drawn in, you can go ahead and adjust the angle so that it's comfortable for you to dip your nails. Go ahead and line them up where you'd like them in the design, and then go ahead and dip in. With your orange stick, go ahead and remove any excess polish from the surface so that that doesn't stick to your design. And once everything is clean, you can go ahead and pull slowly out. And there's the water marble. I'm going to go ahead and remove the protection I used. Just grab the tape with a pair of tweezers and carefully pull everything off. And then once I've finished water marbling all my nails, I'll go back and finish cleanup with a small brush dipped in acetone. Once you've finished cleanup, you can add a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this came out for something that started with me just digging in my OPI drawer. This really all was conceived and came together on stream, and if you'd like to see that process, the extended tutorial will be up in the next couple days here. And of course, if you'd like to join me live, you can follow me over on Twitch. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.